Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your HUAWEI MatePad T10, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, let's scroll down and find notifications. And right now we can hide notification content on the lock screen by tapping on the switcher. And when we scroll down and click on the Manage All, we can permanently turn on or turn off notifications from a very app that we have on this tablet. So for example, we can turn off notifications from music application and also from email. And that's how we can manage notifications. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.